Hello. Good morning. I'm out on my morning walk. Still getting over my cold, so my nose feels plugged. Yeah. Having cold is fun. Up leveling. Yay. Anyway, so I was out on my walk and I was thinking about, okay, what do I want to share today? What do I want to post today? And I was thinking about, my dream life. And I had some imposter syndrome stuff come up, like, oh, I'm not living my dream life. But then I was like, but I kind of am. Like, so I guess the question is, am I living my dream life? And the question is yes and no. Yes, I'm living my dream life because I'm out walking, which that was part of my dream life, is walking every morning. And I've done it 3 days in a row now after being sick for like months. And I'm living in a house that I love. And it's out in the country, which I really wanted. I wanted peace and quiet instead of being in a subdivision. I'm driving my Jeep. And I'm going on trips. We just got back from Vegas like 2 weeks ago. I was sick for half of it, which sucked, but I'm working on my business, my dream business, getting more and more clarity about it, which is good. And so for that aspect, yeah, I'm living my dream life. But in other aspects, I'm not, because I'm not in my dream house, because right now we're renting a house, and as much as I really like the house, I want our own that we own. I want to design it. I want to be able to, do all the, pick the colors and paint and everything. I just got to show you guys this. This is really pretty here. Yep. This is where I go walking all the time. It's pretty. And so, so there's that. I'm not going on as many trips into places that I want to go to because I have this huge list of places and things I want to do, and I'm slowly working on it. I'm not going hiking as much as I want to, but again, it's been winter and I've been sick for most of it, or up leveling, or moving, or there's just been a lot of stuff going on, so I haven't hiked as much as I wanted to. I haven't gone skiing yet this winter, which I'm going to go soon. Before the end of the season, I want to ski at least once because I didn't ski at all last season, and I used to be a 2 to 3 times a week skier, but I also don't live as close to a ski area anymore. And the ski area that I do live close to doesn't have really great night skiing, whereas the place I used to go ski at, Snoqualmie Pass, had great night skiing. I go like 2 or 3 times a week for night skiing, or no, just twice, usually 1 to 2 times for night skiing, and I just make laps, and it was basically great exercise. But the place, White Pass, is where I live close to now, and they don't have good night skiing. So, but they do have cross-country skiing there, which I'm excited to go do again, because that's where I learned. I haven't been snowshoeing yet, but I'm hoping to do that too. I'm not making the money that I want in my business yet. But here's the thing, is that you're never going to be living your ultimate dream life, because there will always be another level. There will always be something more that you're going to work towards and want to achieve and want to have and be and do. And that's okay. I used to get so upset over the fact that I wasn't living my dream life, that I wasn't living my life the way I wanted to. And slowly over the past 5 years that I've been really working on myself, it's slowly coming to fruition. And all I can say is, oh my God, this looks so pretty here. I just gotta show you guys. Isn't that gorgeous? I hope you guys saw it. But I just want to say, like, if you're starting to manifest stuff, if you're just new to manifesting, if you're new to creating your dream life, creating the life that you really want versus living a life that society or your parents or other people expect from you, it's going to take a while to come to you. And you just have to be patient. And one of the big lessons is you have to, there's somebody coming. One of the big lessons is you have to learn to be okay with and content and happy with how things are now. And if you're not, like, it makes it that much harder. Ooh, look at this. So basically I just wanted to say that, like, if you're not living your dream life right now, it's okay. Just keep taking the steps to get there. Keep working on your mindset. Keep shifting your energy. Keep healing yourself, and you will get there. Oh, there's a bunch of ducks that took off. Cool. I love this. This trail that I'm on, I see so much wildlife. I mean, I've seen hawks and eagles and ducks, cows, because there's fields everywhere here. But I also saw an otter once, a river otter. It was so cute. I can't believe there's river otters here, but there's rivers. I think I saw some today in the lake too that I passed. Anyways, so I mean, part of the thing is that the biggest part about creating your dream life is you have to get clear on what you want, because if you're not 100% clear on what you want, you're not going to get it. It's just a fact. But then the other thing is that a lot of people teach that I don't agree with is they're like, oh, just focus on what you want, just focus on the good and act as if. And that helps. It does. But if you don't deal with the other shit that's in your head and in your energy system that is blocking you from receiving it, it won't happen. You have to work on yourself. You have to release the junk that's blocking it. If you don't work on releasing that, it ain't gonna happen. Cause like, it's been amazing with all the things that I've manifested. Like, it's like, I work on myself, I'm releasing, and boom, all of a sudden it pops into my life. And it just happens. And it's awesome. And so I'm really excited because there's one belief that I've been working on forever now, it feels like, but it's that my needs, wants, and desires come dead last. Like, literally everyone else in the world gets what they want and need, and then I can have what I want. And that is such a stupid belief, like, you know. And I've actually noticed the more I've released it, the more stuff I'm receiving. Like, I just received a big check yesterday that I wasn't expecting. Like, I knew it was coming, but I was expecting it to be like $20. It was a lot more than that. So I was really happy about that. And so, like, a lot of things are coming together now for me to get to the next level in my life. Because, I mean, like, I can look back and there's been, like, there's been lots of different levels of my life, you know, and now I'm just working to another one. And that's the cool part, is once you get comfortable with that aspect and that fact, life becomes really easy. If you're like, okay, I'm working towards the next one, but I'm happy with where I'm at, I'm grateful for what I have, life becomes really good. And oh, it's just so pretty here. I just love it when it's foggy here and the sun's shining through. And my tea is all gone though. Yeah, it's all gone. But yeah, so I'm just saying that, like, I guess part of the reason I'm doing this is because, like, my brain was like, oh my God, why would anyone listen to you? Why would anyone want energy healing from you? Why would anyone want to listen to you? You know, imposter syndrome. Basically like, oh, you're not an expert in living your dream life because you're not living your dream life. And I'm like, but I am. I am living my dream life. But my brain is like, no, you're not. Like, you're not skiing and hiking and doing all this adventure stuff all the time. It's like, well, yeah, but I've had life happen. You know, I've been sick. I've been moving. We've been dealing with stuff. Jake's parents passed away last year, and so we've been having to deal with, you know, selling the house, selling all of their stuff. We've been dealing with that. You know, there's just been a lot of other stuff going on, and that's okay. And I've had to learn to get okay with having low seasons where not much seems to be happening. And then all of a sudden everything's going to start happening. And that's usually what happens is you'll have a low season where stuff just isn't working, stuff just isn't happening. And it's okay to get frustrated. It's okay to get upset. Just don't stay there. And then, but then you'll have a high season where you basically get to do everything you want to do. Everything comes together and you're going to have the best time ever. And then you'll be like, okay, I'm ready for the next thing. What's the next level? And that's just a really cool thing about continually working on yourself and healing yourself and manifesting your dream life, because it just keeps getting better and better. Like, I would never imagine my life be like this even a year ago, 2, 5, 10 years ago. Like, this is the dream that I've had for the past 15 years. I'm finally starting to live it. So it takes time. It really does take time. You got to give it time. It may not take as long as me. Yours may take longer than mine, but you'll get there as long as you keep working towards it and keep going. So I guess that's all I had to say today. I gotta go finish my walk and then go to the store, get some free cinnamon rolls. Woohoo! I have enough points on my grocery store members card thing that I get free cinnamon rolls. Okay, so I'm gonna call it done. My phone's not wanting to focus. Oh well. Anyways, last thing. If you want help to create your dream life, I offer energy healing, and I offer long-term energy healing / coaching packages for helping you create your dream life, and also for helping you to heal your body, because I used to have a lot of chronic illnesses, and now I'm the healthiest I've been in my life. And I also offer just regular chakra cleanses and energy system cleanses, and I also offer root chakra stuff. I have a couple programs and freebies and a bunch of other stuff coming up soon. So yeah, if you're interested in any of that, go to rachelkaterose.com and it'll be there. And you just check them out. If you want energy healing, go to energy healing. If you want chakra stuff, go to heal your chakras. And then I also have my blog, which I got lots of stuff there. Excuse me. So go check it out. Go to rachelkaterose.com and I'll catch you guys later. Okay, bye.